It shingles different. And today I want to show y'all this flat iron I brought because lately I just been like, look, I want my hair to be straightened. I'm kind of tired of wearing it natural. So for those of y'all who understand that, you get where I'm coming from.
Bruh.
So I got this Kipozi brand flat iron, and I don't know what site like recommended it, but I ordered it, and it's not sponsored or anything. Yeah, I ordered it myself, so I'm just gonna open it up for y'all. And so let's get to that. So it got like a tab thing when you first open it. It's like a magnet type joint, and it comes in a cute bag like this. And it says Kipozi again. I don't know what the words say underneath it. Professional styling sense, that's what it says. So we're gonna get that out this bag. Oh, it's a nice velvety bag too. It is. Yeah, and I ordered pink. Oh, you kind of look like this is a little brighter than what I was wanting. But let me see. Let me see if it's like a, I want to see if it's like a purple more than a pink, because it kind of looked like that type of piece. I wanted it pink like on some Legally Blonde, or like, I don't know, Nicki Minaj type vibes. I just was feeling a little Barbie-ish, a little extra girly, so I got pink instead of purple, because actually purple is my favorite color. Yeah, it got the words Kipozi on there, right there. Kipozi. And then it got the little digital thing that I did see online that they said it had. So yeah, and then it got this cord. This cord looks like it's pretty long, like it's long enough. I think all the flat irons are like that, like they come long enough. And this is a titanium plate flat iron, so it's serious. It's supposed to be really, really good. So we're gonna see. We're gonna try it out. But I want y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button if y'all like this video. And stay tuned for the next video where I actually use this and straighten my hair. So don't miss out. Come on and do it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Holy Spirit, activate. I get them lips right. Y'all, my bad for not starting off the video like that. The YouTube struggle is real. Ayora wandala mela. Wait, how? Girl, if I was you, I would have took off my shoe and did damage. So the camera's getting all of this beauty right here.